Hey, what's up and welcome. You are here simply because you've encountered this error. There's no need for me to greet and also introduce myself. Let's just get down to business. The first thing that I want to show you is that I am really encountering this error. So I'm just going to close anything that has got something to do with XAMPP. And also let me show you when I am trying to quit XAMPP here on, as you can see. So this is a problem. Okay. So usually I go to the task manager, I want to look for XAMPP and I will end the task. Where is it? Here is it. Okay. And then I will end the task. So there I was just showing you that I am encountering that problem. And also that's what happened when I tried to quit the application. So I'm just going to search XAMPP again and click OK. And then as you can see, Apache is already running. Let's start MySQL. I want to show you that the problem always occurs, as you can see. Okay. So then what do you do when this occurs? First of all, this is not my intelligence. I just copied this from a video on YouTube. And also I'm encountering it for the second time. Because of that, I was like, let me try also to help other people. So just follow me as I'm doing. And also I'm not going to explain why things are happening because guys, I'm just like you. I really don't know. Okay. So the first thing that we want to do is to locate the folder where XAMPP has been installed. Okay, for me, I really don't install XAMPP on the C drive. For some reason, it gave me some issues and some sort of what can I say, rights to whatever. So I was like, let me always install it on a different location. So as you can see, if you click folder location here, it tells us where this shortcut is. Okay, this shortcut is. Okay, obviously this is not what we want. We need to go one level deep. Okay, so we need to open file location from here, and then as you can see, my XAMPP it's on D. Okay, as I've told you, the C drive usually has got some issues, okay, with some permission and other things. So when we are here, we are looking for a folder MySQL. As you can see, guys, here is the folder. Okay, so the first thing that you should do is to back up this data. Okay, let's back up this folder because we are going to make changes on this folder. Since we don't really know much, we just want to be safe. What if maybe we did something wrong, so that at least we can have a backup of this folder? Okay, so let me just put here data old. Okay, let's just say 2025. Okay, data old 2025. We're just going to copy this and paste it here. Okay, if you are done with this step, then I'm proud of you. Okay, let's go back here. So when we get here in this data, okay, there are some certain folders that we need to delete. Okay, let's just go to my Figma file, not this one. Okay, as you can see, guys, these the folders that we need to delete. It's four of them: 1, 2, 3, 4. It's MySQL, performance schema, PHP admin, and test. Okay, so let's just go there, see if my memory is good. It's MySQL, performance schema, PHP admin, and test. Okay, then let's delete those. Okay, the next thing that we have to delete, it's all the files. Okay, all these small files except IB data 1. So let's quickly do that. Okay, highlight everything and then IB data 1, save IB data 1 and delete. Okay, so basically these are your databases, existing databases. As you can see, guys, we have kept them as they are. In case, even though that's very rare, in case you don't need your databases, you can wipe everything, but these are your databases. Okay, and then what we need to do now, it looks like the system has got a way to restore itself using this backup. So what you need to do, as you can see, all the files are here, the one that we deleted. So what you need to do, you just need to copy these files and just leave this IB data 1 because you already have it. And I think, guys, that is all. This is supposed to fix the problem. In case it doesn't, believe me, I'll bite my tongue because I also copied this from a YouTube tutorial. Okay, so let's go back here, guys, and cross fingers. In fact, let's pray that everything works well. So as you can see, guys, these are our databases and this is the file, and then let's just paste everything here. And then what we are going to do, let's close this. Okay, I hope everything will work. And then let's go back and open this. Okay, and let's see. Looks like everything is working, and then we need to test it. Okay, because as you can see here, it was giving me some errors. Okay, so before we just jump to the test, in case you might be interested, I am a React developer. I've got these two awesome courses on Udemy. I will appreciate your support. If you might want the link, just check in the description. It will be Udemy course 1 and Udemy course 2. Let's test things and see. First it was saying access denied, blah blah blah. Okay, let's see, but based on this, guys, oh, as you can see, okay, now we are back on track. Thank you so much. I am Matthew Msingati. I'm the designer and at the same time I'm a developer. See you on the next one.